Distributing Project Gutenberg Symbol Marque Commerciale Electronic Works Provided that you pay a royalty fee of 20% of the gross profit you derive from the use of Project Gutenberg Symbol Marque Commerciale Works calculated using the method you already use to calculate your applicable tax. The fee is owed to the owner of the Project Gutenberg Symbol Marque Commerciale Trademark, BU et HAS agreed to donate royalty under this paragraph to the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation. Royalty payment must be paid within 60 days following each date on which you prepare, or are legally required to prepare, your periodic tax returns. Royalty payment should be clearly marked as sent to the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation at the address specified in Section 4, Information à bout donation to the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation. You provide a full refund of any money paid by a user who notifies you in writing, or by email, within 30 days of receipt that S// does not agree to the terms of the full Project Gutenberg Symbol Marque Commerciale license. You must require such a user to return or destroy all copy of the works possessed in a physical medium and discontinue all use of and all access to other copy of Project Gutenberg Symbol Marque Commerciale works. You provide, in accordance with paragraph 1.f.3, a full refund of any money paid for a work or a replacement copy, if a defect in the electronic work is discovered and reported to you within 90 days of receipt of the work. You comply with all other terms of this agreement for free distribution of Project Gutenberg Symbol Marque Commerciale works. 1.e.9 If you wish to charge a fee or distribute a Project Gutenberg Symbol Marque Commerciale Electronic work or group of works on different terms than are set forth in this agreement, you must obtain permission in writing from the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation, the manager of the Project Gutenberg Symbol Marque Commerciale Trademark. Contact the Foundation as set forth in Section 3 below. 1.f.1.f.1 Project Gutenberg volunteers and employees expend considerable effort to identify, do copyright research on, transcribe and proofread works not protected by US copyright law in creating the Project Gutenberg Symbol Marque Commerciale collection. Despite these efforts, Project Gutenberg Symbol Marque Commerciale Electronic Works, and the medium on which they may be stored, may contain defects such as, but not limited to, incomplete, inaccurate or corrupt data, transcription errors, a copyright or other intellectual property infringement, a defective or damaged disk or other medium, a computer virus, or computer code that damage or cannot be read by your equipment. 1.f.2 Limited warranty, disclaimer of damage, except for the right of replacement or refund described in paragraph 1.f.3, the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation, the owner of the Project Gutenberg Symbol Marque Commerciale Trademark, and any other party distributing a Project Gutenberg Symbol Marque Commerciale Electronic work under this agreement, disclaim all liability to you for damages, costs and expenses, including legal fees. You agree that you have no remedy for negligence, strict liability, breach of warranty or breach of contract except those provided in paragraph 1.f.3. You agree that the Foundation, the trademark owner, and any distributor under this agreement will not be liable to you for actual, direct, indirect, consequential, punitive or incidental damages even if you give notice of the possibility of such damage. 1.f.3 limited right of replacement or refund, if you discover a defect in this electronic work within 90 days of receiving it, you can receive a refund of the money, if any, you paid for it by sending a return explanation to the person you received the work from. If you received the work on a physical medium, you must return the medium with your return explanation. The person or entity that provided you with the defective work may elect to provide a replacement copy in lieu of a refund. If you received the work electronically, the person or entity providing it to you may choose to give you a second opportunity to receive the work electronically in lieu of a refund. If the second copy is also defective, you may demand a refund in writing without further opportunities to fix the problem. 1.f.4 Except for the limited right of replacement or refund set forth in paragraph 1.f.3, this work is provided to you as, with no other warranties of any kind, express or imply, including but not limited to warranties of merchantability or fitness for any purpose. 1.f.5 Some states do not allow disclaimers of certain implied warranties or the exclusion or limitation of certain type of damages. If any disclaimer or limitation set forth in this agreement violates the law of the state applicable to this agreement, the agreement shall be interpreted to make the maximum disclaimer or limitation permitted by the applicable state law. The invalidity or unenforceability of any provision of this agreement shall not void the remaining provision. 1.f.6 Indemnity, you agree to indemnify and hold the foundation, the trademark owner, any agent or employee of the foundation, anyone providing copy of Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial electronic works in accordance with this agreement, and any volunteers associated with the production, promotion and distribution of Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial electronic works, harmless from all liability, costs and expenses, including legal fees, that arise directly or indirectly from any of the following which you do or cause to occur. A. Distribution of this or any Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial work. B. Alteration, modification, or addition or deletions to any Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial work. And C. Any defect you cause. Section 2. Information about the mission of Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial. Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial is synonymous with the free distribution of electronic works in format readable by the widest variety of computer including obsolete, old, middle-aged and new computer. It exists because of the effort of hundreds of volunteers and donations from people in all walks of life. Volunteers and financial support to provide volunteers with the assistance they need are critical to reaching Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial's goals and ensuring that the Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial collection will remain freely available for generations to come. In 2001, the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation was created to provide a secure and permanent future for Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial and future generations. To learn more about the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation and how your efforts and donations can help, see section 3 and 4 and the Foundation information page at www.gutenberg.org. Section 3. Information about the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation. The Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation is a non-profit 501 3. Educational corporation organized under the laws of the state of Mississippi and granted tax-exempt status by the Internal Revenue Service. The Fondation SEIN or Federal Tax Identification Number is 64 à 6 221 541. Contribution to the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation are tax deductible to the full extent permitted by U.S. federal laws and your state's laws. The Foundation's business office is located at 809 North 1500 West, Salt Lake City, U84 116, 801, 596 à 1887. Email contact links and up-to-date contact information can be found at the Foundation's website and official page at www.gutenberg.org/contact section 4. Information about donation to the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation. Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial depends upon and cannot survive without widespread public support and donation to carry out its mission of increasing the number of public domain and licensed works that can be freely distributed in machine-readable form accessible by the widest array of equipment including outdated equipment. Many small donations, $1 to $5,000, are particularly important to maintaining tax-exempt status with the IRS. The Foundation is committed to complying with the laws regulating charities and charitable donations in all 50 states of the United States. Compliance requirements are not uniform and it takes a considerable effort, much paperwork and money fees to meet and keep up with these requirements. We do not solicit donations in locations where we have not received written confirmation of compliance. To send donation or determine the status of compliance for any particular state, visit www.gutenberg.org/donate. While we cannot and do not solicit contribution from states where we have not met the solicitation requirements, we know of no prohibition against accepting unsolicited donation from donors in such states who approach us with offers to donate. International donations are gratefully accepted, but we cannot make any statements concerning tax treatment of donations received from outside the United States. US laws alone swam for small staff. Please check the Project Gutenberg web page for current donation methods and addresses. Donations are accepted in a number of other ways including checks, online payments and credit card donations. To donate, please visit www.gutenberg.org/donate. Section 5. Général information about Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale électronique works. Professor Michael S. R. was the originator of the Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial concept of a library of electronic works that could be freely shared with anyone. For 40 years, he produced and distributed Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial e-books with only a loose network of volunteer support. Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial e-books are often created from several printed editions, all of which are confirmed and not protected by copyright in the US unless a copyright notice is included. Thus, we do not necessarily keep e-books in compliance with any particular paper edition. Most people start at our website which has the main page search facility, www.gutenberg.org. This website includes information about Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial, including how to make donation to the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation, how to help produce our new ebooks, and how to subscribe to our email newsletter to read about new ebooks. Psychologie de l'éducation par le Dr Gustave Le Bon. L'éducation est l'art de faire passer le conscient dans l'inconscient. Nouvelle édition augmentée de plusieurs chapitres sur les méthodes d'éducation en Amérique et sur l'enseignement donné aux indigènes des colonies. Paris. Ernest Flammarion, éditeur 26, rue Racine, 26 920. Psychologie de l'éducation. Préface de cette nouvelle édition. Livre premier. Les enquêtes sur la réforme de l'enseignement. Chapitre premier. Les conceptions des maîtres de l'université en matière d'enseignement. I2 3 4 V 6. Chapitre 2. Documents psychologiques révélés par l'enquête sur l'enseignement. Pourquoi les réformes sont impossibles. I2 3 4 V. Livre 2. L'instruction et l'éducation aux États-Unis. Chapitre 1er. Principes généraux de l'éducation en Amérique. Chapitre 2. Détail des méthodes usitées dans les écoles américaines. 1. Division de l'enseignement. 2. Enseignement élémentaire, de 6 à 10 ans. 3. Enseignement primaire, de 10 à 14 ans. 4. Enseignement secondaire, de 14 à 18 ans. Chapitre 3. L'enseignement des sciences expérimentales dans les écoles de l'Amérique. 1. Enseignement de la physique. 2. Enseignement de la chimie. 3. Les travaux manuels dans l'enseignement secondaire. Conclusion. Livre 3. L'enseignement universitaire en France. Chapitre 1er. La valeur des méthodes universitaires. 1. La méthode mnémonique. 2. Les résultats de l'enseignement du latin et des langues vivantes. 3. Les résultats de l'enseignement de la littérature et de l'histoire. 4. Les résultats de l'enseignement des sciences. 5. Les résultats de l'enseignement supérieur et de l'esprit universitaire. 6. L'opinion de l'université sur la valeur générale de son enseignement. Chapitre 2. Les résultats finaux de l'éducation universitaire. Son influence sur l'intelligence et le caractère. Chapitre 3. Les lycées. 1. La vie au lycée, le travail et la discipline. 2. La direction des lycées. Les proviseurs. 3. Ce que coûtent les lycées à l'État. Chapitre 4. Les professeurs et les répétiteurs. 1. Les professeurs. 2. Les répétiteurs. Chapitre V. L'enseignement congréganiste. Livre 4. Les réformes proposées et les réformateurs. Chapitre 1er. Les réformateurs. La transformation des professeurs. La réduction des heures de travail. L'éducation anglaise. 1. Les réformateurs. 2. Transformation du professorat. Nécessité pour tous les professeurs de passer par le répétitorat. 3. La réduction des heures de travail. 4. L'éducation anglaise. Chapitre 2. Les changements de programme. Chapitre 3. La question du grec et du latin. 1. L'utilité du grec et du latin. 2. L'opinion des familles sur l'enseignement du grec et du latin. 3. L'enseignement du grec et du latin avec les préjugés actuels. Chapitre 4. La question du baccalauréat et du certificat d'études. 1. La réforme du baccalauréat. 2. L'opinion des universitaires sur le baccalauréat. Chapitre V. La question de l'enseignement moderne et de l'enseignement professionnel. 1. L'enseignement moderne. 2. L'enseignement professionnel. Chapitre 6. La question de l'éducation. 1. Incertitude des principes universitaires en matière d'éducation. 2. La discipline scolaire comme base unique de l'éducation universitaire. Livre V. Psychologie de l'instruction et de l'éducation. Chapitre 1er. Les bases psychologiques de l'instruction. 1. Fondement psychologique de l'instruction d'après les idées universitaires. 2. Théorie psychologique de l'instruction et de l'éducation. Transformation du conscient en inconscient. 3. Comment la théorie des associations conscientes devenues inconscientes explique la formation de certains instincts et celle des caractères des peuples. 4. La pédagogie actuelle. 5. L'instruction expérimentale. Chapitre 2. Les bases psychologiques de l'éducation. 1. But de l'éducation. 2. Méthode psychologique d'éducation. Chapitre 3. L'enseignement de la morale. Chapitre 4. L'enseignement de l'histoire et de la littérature. 1. L'enseignement de l'histoire. 2. L'enseignement de la littérature. Chapitre V. L'enseignement des langues. Chapitre 6. L'enseignement des mathématiques. Chapitre 7. L'enseignement des sciences physiques naturelles. 1. L'enseignement des sciences naturelles. 2. L'enseignement universitaire des sciences expérimentales. 3. Importance de l'enseignement des sciences expérimentales dans l'enseignement primaire. 4. L'enseignement des sciences expérimentales dans l'instruction secondaire. Chapitre 8. L'éducation des indigènes aux colonies. Chapitre 9. L'éducation par l'armée. 1. Rôle possible du service militaire dans l'éducation. 2. Les conséquences sociales des anciennes lois militaires. 3. Le rôle éducateur des officiers. Fin table des matières. The Full Project Gutenberg licence PJ 1 PJ 2 PJ 3 PJ 4 PJ 5 PJ 6 PJ 7 PJ 8 PJ 9 PJ 10 PJ 11 PJ 12 PJ 13 PJ 14 PJ 15 PJ 16 PJ 17 PJ 18 PJ 19 PJ 20 PJ 21 PJ 22 PJ 23 PJ 24 PJ 25 PJ 26 PJ 27 PJ 28 PJ 29 PJ 30 PJ 31 PJ 32 PJ 33 PJ 34 PJ 35 PJ 36 PJ 37 PJ 38 PJ 39 PJ 40 PJ 41 PJ 42 PJ 43 PJ 44 PJ 45 PJ 46 PJ 47 PJ 48 PJ 49 PJ 50 PJ 51 PJ 52 PJ 53 PJ 54 PJ 55 PJ 56 PJ 57 PJ 58 PJ 59 PJ 60 PJ 61 PJ 62 PJ 63 PJ 64 PJ 65 PJ 66 PJ 67 PJ 68 PJ 69 PJ 70 PJ 71 PJ 72 PJ 73 PJ 74 PJ 75 PJ 76 PJ 77 PJ 78 PJ 79 PJ 80 PJ 81 PJ 82 PJ 83 PJ 84 PJ 85 PJ 86 PJ 87 PJ 88 PJ 89 PJ 90 PJ 91 PJ 92 PJ 93 PJ 94 PJ 95 PJ 96 PJ 97 PJ 98 PJ 99 PJ 100 PJ 101 PJ 102 PJ 103 PJ 104 PJ 105 PJ 106 PJ 107 PJ 108 PJ 109 PJ 110 PJ 111 PJ 112 PJ 113 PJ 114 PJ 115 PJ 116 PJ 117 PJ 118 PJ 119 PJ 120 PJ 121 PJ 122 PJ 123 PJ 124 PJ 125 PJ 126 PJ 127 PJ 128 PJ 129 PJ 130 PJ 131 PJ 132 PJ 133 PJ 134 PJ 135 PJ 130 136 PJ 137 PJ 138 PJ 139 PJ 140 PJ 141 PJ 142 PJ 143 PJ 144 PJ 145 PJ 146 PJ 147 PJ 148 PJ 149 PJ 150 PJ 151 PJ 152 PJ 153 PJ 154 PJ 155 PJ 156 PJ 157 PJ 158 PJ 159 PJ 160 PJ 161 PJ 162 PJ 163 PJ 164 PJ 165 PJ 166 PJ 167 PJ 168 PJ 169 PJ 170 PJ 171 PJ 172 PJ 173 PJ 174 PJ 175 PJ 176 PJ 177 PJ 178 PJ 179 PJ 180 PJ 181 PJ 182 PJ 183 PJ 184 PJ 185 PJ 186 PJ 187 PJ 188 PJ 189 PJ 190 PJ 191 PJ 192 PJ 193 PJ 194 PJ 195 PJ 196 PJ 197 PJ 198 PJ 199 PJ 200 PJ 201 PJ 202 PJ 203 PJ 204 PJ 205 PJ 206 PJ 207 PJ 208 PJ 209 PJ 210 PJ 211 PJ 212 PJ 213 PJ 214 PJ 215 PJ 216 PJ 217 PJ 218 PJ 219 PJ 220 PJ 221 PJ 222 PJ 223 PJ 224 PJ 225 PJ 226 PJ 227 PJ 228 PJ 229 PJ 230 PJ 231 PJ 232 PJ 233 PJ 234 PJ 235 PJ 236 PJ 237 PJ 238 PJ 239 PJ 240 PJ 241 PJ 242 PJ 243 PJ 244 PJ 245 PJ 246 PJ 247 PJ 248 PJ 250 PJ 251 PJ 252 PJ 253 PJ 254 PJ 255 PJ 256 PJ 257 PJ 258 PJ 259 PJ 260 PJ 261 PJ 262 PJ 263 PJ 264 PJ 265 PJ 266 PJ 267 PJ 268 PJ 269 PJ 270 PJ 271 PJ 272 PJ 273 PJ 274 PJ 275 PJ 276 PJ 277 PJ 278 PJ 279 PJ 280 PJ 281 PJ 282 PJ 283 PJ 284 PJ 285 PJ 286 PJ 287 PJ 288 PJ 289 PJ 290 PJ 291 PJ 292 PJ 293 PJ 294 PJ 295 PJ 296 PJ 297 PJ 298 PJ 299 PJ 300 PJ 301 PJ 302 PJ 303 PJ 304 PJ 305 PJ 306 PJ 307 PJ 308 PJ 309 PJ 310 PJ 311 PJ 312 PJ 313 PJ 314 PJ 315 PJ 316 PJ 317 PJ 318 PJ 319 PJ 320 PJ 321 PJ 322 PJ 323 PJ 324 PJ 325 PJ 326 PJ 327 PJ 328 PJ 329 PJ 330 PJ 331 PJ 332 PJ 333 PJ 334 PJ 335 PJ 336 PJ 337 PJ 338 PJ 339 PJ 340 PJ 341 PJ 342 PJ 343